Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I hope you are safe and sound at home and enjoy your study. Okay, dear student, let's get started. This is a science subject, grade 3. Open your book at page 42. It's already written on the board. We have got the exercise on page 42. First question. It is not here, but you have to write that one. We have learnt about, we have read about solar system. The question number 1 considered to be linked with that one. What is the solar system? First question. Question number 1. Although it is not in that particular sort of exercise, but we have to write that one. We do know what is solar system. So what is the solar system? What is the solar system? Solar system. Question mark. The solar system is the sun and everything that answer. The solar system is the sun and that everything the solar system is the sun and that everything that orbits around it. That orbits around it. The solar system is the sun and the everything that orbits around it. And the everything that orbits around it. It means, as I mentioned yesterday about solar system, whatever around the sun is the center point of our solar system. Okay, around it we have got the planets, we have got the moon, we have got other things that orbits around the sun. That is called a solar system. Question number 2. List the different objects in space. List the different objects in space with an example of each one. With an example of each one. This is our first question from that exercise. List the different objects in space with an example of each one. Answer. Number 1, we have got planets. Number 1, planets like Mercury, Venus. Number 2, we have got dark planets. Dwarf planets. are far away from the sun, and it is generally called small planets. Dark planets like Pluto, the third one, stars. The sun, the stars, and the fourth one, moons. The earth has one moon. Moons. The earth has one moon. This is our first question from on the board. We have got the second one. List the different objects in space with an example of each one. First one, planets, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, number of other, etc. Dark planets mean Pluto, and star, the sun, the stars, and moons, the earth has one moon. This is the second answer. Third one, study. Okay. Think and write about how the earth is different from the other planets. Question number here 2, but we have to write 3. Think and write about how the earth is different, about how the earth is different from other planets, Answer. The Earth is the only planet that has life and water. We have got more information rather than the other planets of only Earth. Earth is the only planet. The Earth is the only planet that has life and water, that has life and water, while other planets don't have. Other planets don't have. Only the Earth, that this planet, we have got lots of information because we live on it. That's why it has got life because of water. Other planets, they don't have life and water. Water is the symbol of life. If they don't have water, there is no life on them. Question number 4. Study the pictures of the solar systems on page 37. Order the right planets according to their distance from the sun. Order the 8 planets. Write the name of the 8 planets. Write the name of the 8 planets. This one. Number 1, Mercury. Venus, Earth. Number 2, Venus, Earth. Number 4, Mars, Jupiter. Mars, Jupiter. Number 6, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Saturn, Uranus, and the last one, Neptune. Yesterday we have read about them. Write the names of the 8 planets according to their distance from the sun. These are the right way. First one, Mercury. Second, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and in the end we have got Neptune. Okay boys, the next question. How is a planet different from a moon? In what way is a moon similar to a planet? How is a planet different? Question number 4 on the book, but over here we have got number 5. In what way? How is a planet different from a moon? How is a planet different from a moon? From a moon. In what way is a moon similar to a planet? In what way is a moon similar to a planet? Otherwise, you understood this one. There are 8 planets. I wrote on the board according to their distance in the solar system. How is a planet different from a moon? In what way is a moon similar to a planet? I mentioned to you yesterday about the moon and the planets and what is its different. Look this one. A planet is an object. Answer. A planet is an object. A planet is an object which moves around the sun. Which moves around the sun. Around the sun. A moon is an object. A moon is an object moves around a planet. Moves around a planet. A moon is an object moves around a planet. Both have no light of their own. Both have no light of their own. Both have no lights of their own. They only reflect the sunlight. They only reflect the sunlight. They rotate on their own axis. They rotate on their own axis. On their own axis. Own axis. Dear student, understand this one. A planet is an object which moves around the sun. Planets on their orbits. Orbit being the path of the planet. A moon is an object moves around a planet. Yesterday I asked you about this one. This is sun and this is orbit. Here is a planet. Okay, that moves around the sun. That moves around the sun. And it also moves around its own axis. And if we have got the moon here, it does not move around the sun, it just moves around the planet. Both have no lights. They reflect the light from the sunlight. They reflect the sunlight. Okay? Remember this one. This is sun, our solar system. We have got the planet, and around it we have got the moon. Moon only rotates around the planet. It does not rotate, it does not orbit the sun. It only orbits the planet. Remember this one. Both have no lights, okay? They only reflect the sunlight. This is the similarity and difference. Okay, boys, we have a student, we have got the next section B in exercise. This is the fill in the blanks. Look at this one, fill in the blanks. Page number 42. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The coldest planet of the solar system is, which is that one? Neptune. I just write the answer with sentence. Okay, the coldest planet, the coldest planet, the coldest planets of the solar system, is, we have no place here, we have to write here, Neptune. This one. Because it is the last planet and and have got a great distance, and its coldness is about minus 218 degrees Celsius. Neptune is far away from the sun, that's why it seems to be the coldest one. After that one we have got the dark planet, that name is Pluto, but it is not in our solar system, considered to be in our solar system. That's why before Pluto we have got the Neptune. This is the coldest planet we have in our solar system. Now dear student, I just write only answer, okay, only the blanks, whatever the words are there. Number 2, you have to write like this, okay. The coldest planet of the solar system is Neptune, okay. The second one, the largest planet of the solar system is, what is that one? It is, see your picture, page number 37, Jupiter, the largest. Jupiter, it is the largest planet. Coldest one, Neptune. After that one, which is the largest one, we have got Jupiter in our solar system. Number 3. What is the number 6? Scientists who study the space and the objects in it called astronomers. Astronomers. Those people, especially those scientists who study in space and in their objects over there in space, they are called astronomers. They are called astronomers. Number 4. The natural satellite of the Earth is Moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. You know the satellite? 5th one complete turn of the Earth on its axis, it is called rotation. It is called rotation. Number 6, one complete round of the Earth on its orbit is called revolution. Dear students, this is our blanks, and you know about this one. Look this. Rotation means this is Earth. When it rotates around its axis called rotation. When it rotates around the sun, it is called revolution. In rotation, it takes 24 hours, okay, and in revolution, it takes 365 days to complete its circle around the sun. Okay, boys, section C, compare Mercury with Neptune. How long do they each take to complete one orbit around the sun? How do they differ in size, temperature, and in their distance from the sun? It is an oral question, but I will tell it to you. Just see this one and listen it carefully. Look this one, section C. Mercury with Neptune. Compare Mercury with Neptune. Mercury, Neptune. Comparison between Mercury and Neptune. Mercury, as you know, it's the largest planet in our solar system, and Neptune is the last planet we have got in our solar system. What is the comparison? See this one. Mercury takes 88 days to complete one orbit around the sun. It takes how many days? 88 days to complete its circle around the sun. And Neptune takes about 165 years. 165 years. It takes 100 Neptune. It takes 165 years to have to circle around the sun. And Mercury has got only 88 days to orbit around the sun. Second one, the diameter size of Mercury is 4,876 kilometer. 4,876 kilometer. It is the diameter. It is the diameters. And Neptune is 49,527 kilometer. This is its size, or you can say the diameter. Size. Rotation. And the other one, Mercury temperature is temperature. Mercury temperature is 465 degrees Celsius. 465 degrees Celsius. And Neptune minus 218 degree. 218 degree Celsius. This is the temperature. Look this one. That's why it's considered to be the coldest planet in our solar system. Neptune, 218 degrees Celsius. Mercury distance from the sun is 57 million kilometer. Distance from the sun. Distance from the sun to 57 million. 57 million kilometer. Km in kilometer. And Neptune have got 4,496 million kilometer. This is the comparison, brief comparison between Mercury and Neptune. I repeat, look at the board carefully. The rotation of Mercury around the sun is a revolution. You can say that one, revolution. Is rotation, revolution. Around the sun orbits, it takes 88 days, and Neptune, it takes 165 years, not days, 165 years, and size 4,876 kilometer, and Neptune size 49,527 kilometer. And comparison between the temperature, 465 degrees Celsius and minus 218 degrees Celsius. Distance from the sun, 57 million kilometers. 57 million kilometers. And this one, 4,496 million kilometers. This is all for today. This is exercise number 1. Section A, B, and C. Write these question answers on your science notebook. I do hope that you did your Leberka diagram on page 37 and write these question answers and learn it at home. HW, homework. Right, question answer. Question answer. Write and learn. And learn. Write and learn. Question answer. Write, fill in the blanks. Blanks. Dear students, that's all for today. I do hope that you understood all these exercise. In exercise we have got the three section A, B and C. There is no written question what is solar system. I got that one on the board. You have to learn that one also. Wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.